guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aarati. Today's video, I'm really excited to do this because this is the first time I'm ever doing such kind of a video, and you guys already know by the title, it's coloring my hair all by myself in the house. And so I'm really excited how this turns out and all of that. So let's get started. So before starting on this video, I want to talk to you guys that I'm no way in shape or form a hair expert or something. I'm just following some random tutorials and the instructions behind that coloring thing, and that's it. I am using the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Creme. This is what I'm using, and I'm using it in the shade 4.25 Aishwarya's Brown. This is what it is. I did not want to go all fancy with the colors. I wanted to try this, and if I love it, I am definitely gonna retry with some funky colors. Maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the color that I'm trying to use, and let's get started. So this comes with all of the different products. So it comes with a colorant cream, and this is a cream developer. And then it has a shampoo and conditioner of its own. So yeah, and it comes with one glove. I don't know how people use only one glove, but yeah, and it has so many instructions. You guys, look at how big this instruction paper is. And I read through everything just to make sure that I'm not gonna mess up my hair. So I'm excited. Alright, so that's the reason even though I have a makeup, I wanted to do this without makeup, but just for the sake of video, I want to look a little presentable and very pretty. So that's why I put up a little makeup. But yeah, I'm gonna remove my hair from a ponytail, brush it so that this has no knots, and then we'll start with the coloring. Alright, now I just comb my hair so that it has no knots during the process and it does not get very clumpy or something like that. As per instructions, it says me to mix both of these equal portions, but it's already filled. So when it already came to here. So I'm going to fill up this little part right here and mix it, and then maybe let's see what happens. So let's get started. It smells really good, by the way. And I have this really bad habit of smelling things, but yeah, it smells real good. Also, I've seen so many people online putting different colors during the quarantine, and then I thought, no, I'm not gonna do it. I don't have so much guts and all of that, but that's definitely not the case now. Alright, I emptied almost the entire tube, and I think I can use it another time, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, I've emptied the entire tube, and then I'm gonna put it up and shake it real well. So they say that shake it real well so that it kind of mixes both the developer as well as the coloring cream. And I'm excited for this, you guys. I've never tried hair coloring. I've never tried a hair color. So I'm 25 years in, and I wanted to try the L'Oreal because I've heard really good reviews on it. So let's get started. I've shaked it real well, and I think it is mixed. I can see a little color change here. So I am going to start applying it, but before that I'm supposed to break off the tip. So I'm going to do that and then start applying. Let's see how well it goes. Alright, this is the third time there was somebody at my door, but yeah, I did not start, and I hope to start very fast. Oh, they give 2 gloves. Yeah, acha, theek hai. I did not know that there were 2 gloves. Oh, it's gonna be so messy and I'm really scared. But let's go. Alright, I'm gonna look here because there's a mirror right here. There's a big mirror, so I'm gonna look here, but I'm gonna try my level best to show you guys. At least I will show you guys the output as well. So stay tuned. Also, I want to give you guys a before of my hair. This is my black beautiful hair, and let's go. gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes, as they say. Wash it off, rinse it, and then I will be back, and let's see how the color turns out. Oh my god.
3 hours later.
Alright, I am back after about 4 to 5 hours, and this is the result. Okay, the color that I got was a 4.25 Aishwarya's brown. I will leave the link to that product right down below. But because my hair was pitch black before that, it did not do anything a lot. I did have like 2 to 3 stray hairs right here, the grey ones. Those were they are actually in brown color. I don't think the camera is gonna pick up, but if I go and stand in front of the sun, it gives that beautiful brown kind of an effect, and it looks super pretty. So overall, it's been a flop because I got the wrong color. It's on me, not on the product, but I love coloring at home. I am definitely gonna try it again with some nice, I wanna try something very, I wanna try reds and all of that, but I know reds have a lot of maintenance. But yeah, definitely I'm gonna give it a shot again, and yeah. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This was like this typical in-house flops that we have during quarantine and all of that. But yeah, but my hair feels super soft. It's very smooth. It feels so soft. And I will definitely try it again, and I will share it with you guys again. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, come join the family. It'll mean a lot to me. And please go ahead, hit the subscribe. It'll mean a lot, you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.